Maybe you've seen her on Funny Ladies 3 on HBO West. Sister My Sister on the Oxygen Channel. She's also founder of a woman's safe space for laughter. Please give a big round of applause to Miss Carol Murphy! Woo!
I'm Carol Murphy, and I am a woman stand-up comedian. Hi, Carol. Just kidding, but you know, seriously, sometimes seriously now, I start thinking that I should go to support groups or something, you know, because we lady comics get such a bad rap. It's really given me a complex. An edible complex for chocolate. Am I right, ladies? Men, take a break. Ladies, do we love that chocolate or what? Got that in shopping, I tell you. Now, I read a survey in the newspaper the other day. I love those surveys. They kind of get right to the point, just kind of suck all the information right in there. Survey said 60% of American women would rather spend an evening alone with a box of chocolate than they would with a man. And I'm thinking to myself, what's up with the other 40%? Are they dieting or what? Huh, ladies, am I right? Caring about those thighs, ladies, right? Now, before I really get into it here with the comedy, before I really hit it, I just want to say that I waived my usual performance fee tonight, and I'm donating it to help find a cure for breast cancer. It's okay to clap, you know, sisters are doing it for themselves, we gotta find a cure, that's right. Now, I said to myself, and my agent called me with this gig, I said to myself, Self, we got cancer here, how are we gonna get laughs out of cancer? And the answer is, we're not gonna play cancer for laughs like a man would. That's right, you know? It's a serious subject here. I'm sick of these guys. It's like, you know, give me a foot massage and take out the garbage, all right? Now, my ex-husband and I used to really get into it around the house. Thermostat was a big one. I had to finally say to him, hey, Rod, those are not hot flashes, those are power surges, all right? Was Eve framed or what? God is coming and boy is she pissed. All right, everybody, that's my time. Thanks so much. I heart chocolate, vagina power. Carol Murphy. Carol Murphy, let her hear it.
Folks, our next comic is as funny as he is friendly, and he's very, very friendly. You may have seen him at Johnny McHaha's in Fruitvale, Last Gasp in Stockton, or maybe on Comedians A Go-Go on Channel 54. Please put your hands together for Mr. Charlie Peters!
How y'all doing? You good, huh? A little better than that? Come on, people, let me hear it. All right, that's cool. Let's hear it for Colin, man. Let's give it up for Colin, man. Very funny, man. Carol Murphy, okay? And while you're at it, give it up for yourself for coming out for a little comedy tonight, okay? And you know what? Hey, if you said you were feeling good, give it up for feeling good. Okay, come on. Give it up for feeling good. That's good. Let's give it up for the people who are serving us little treats, little things at the bar, taking our tickets. They work hard. Give up a little bit of the green for them because they work hard. That's cool. Give it up for them. Okay, whatever else you can give it up for, give it up. I'm Charlie Peters. That's my time. Thanks very much. You've been great.
Woo! Charlie Peters! Isn't he fun? Our next comic has been doing stand-up for as long as he's been in rehab. He recently appeared in court. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a comedian you didn't even know you were going to see tonight, Lenny Nixon! Woo! Lenny Nixon!
What are y'all doing tonight? Notice I did not ask how you're doing tonight, because honestly, who gives a fuck, huh? No, seriously, fuck you all, huh? Now, how many junkies do we have in the crowd here tonight? Show of arms, junkies? No? Hey, you know, I didn't come here for my health. I got an HMO for that. Huh? Hey, come on, I know you're out there. I can hear you conspiring to kill me. Hey, what's your problem, mister? What do you want, like, dead? No, get him whatever he wants and make him pay for it. Huh? Huh? And what's your problem, lady? What are you, like, a bitch? Hey, guy over there. You see that girl over there? Fuck that bitch, huh? Because I know I'm not going to. Not that I wouldn't, honey. Hey, you too, for that matter. What are you both doing later? Oh, what are you leaving? Oh, yeah, you got someplace to be? If you got someplace to be, why'd you come here? Because this ain't no place.